Hi, Tim Bigham back for Delta Derivatives, Option Hedges and Edges, taking a look at a market that is back again, knocking at those all-time highs. Be interesting to see if we have a breakout or a fake out on the S&Ps, but certainly this is a market that really has no quit in it, and normally a seasonally kind of bearish period. So with the VIX below 13, I kind of like going out to October, the traditionals, buying slightly out of the money SPY puts, laying some protection in the portfolio, basically turning my stocks into a long call position, leave that upside open with the VIX near recent lows, about as cheap as it has been, combined with the fact the market at all-time highs. Take a look at some unusual option activity. Stitchfix has some big-time option activity out in October. Someone rolled their October 50 calls up to the Oct 55 calls, then added about 4,000 more. More importantly, IV jumped from about 83 to almost 100 because of this big call buying out there. So I'm jumping in, buying shares, selling twice as many calls here, still leaning net bullishly with that big call buyer out there, but looking to capture that huge IV jump, looking probably to trim that position out. Earnings coming October 1st, so certainly will reduce it in front of there. Another unusual repeat call buying situation happening in Twilio way out in 2020. Someone buying the January 120 calls, stock at about 85 bucks. So again, this is one where the stock is up, but the calls are actually up more. The puts are up as well, simply due to put-call parity. So I'm jumping in, doing a sell strangle trade in a neutral fashion, selling the 80 puts, the 120 calls, capturing about a 14-point IV jump, just looking to take that trade off when IV reverts back once that buyer kind of steps away. So we'll see what happens. Certainly tariff news on the front here. Chinese stocks getting hit. I kind of like BABA here compared to the Apples and Amazons of the world, getting very cheap. So targeting that 150 strike on BABA, buying the 145 puts as protection, doing a simple put credit spread out in October. Just looking for BABA to be a relative outperformer, given the fact it has really underperformed here compared to US tech over the past month or so. So until next time, as always, here's a good trading. Take care.